Yeah, what's up? We got another install for you today. Got some unequal length headers for the old Subaru BRZ.
Dirty bitch.
Got to get it up on the lift real quick, and then we'll go ahead and taking everything off. Here's our head mechanic right here.
What's up, Jack?
All right, so these are the Tessuto unequal length headers for Subaru BRZ. Comes with a bunch of hardware, bolts and stuff, gaskets. But yeah, we're gonna be putting this on the BRZ. Should unlock the old Subi Rumble. I think that's what we're going for, so should be pretty good. All right, so the first step's gonna be taking off this skid plate. That'll reveal everything, so you can get to the stock headers first. All right, so now I got the skid plate off. Gives you a pretty good area to work with. You can get this the stock stuff off. We're gonna have to take this heat shield off first, and then be able to get to the bolts. Take that all off. All right, so we got a couple of bolts up here, and then there's one there, and then on the other side, he's working on the other two. Should be two. Yeah, there's two up there, and then he's getting the bolt off for the rest of the back of the pipe that goes all the way to the back of the car. So once that's off, this should all drop right down. All right, we got the last bolts done. Oh, bro, your shit is smoking, dog. Oh, never mind, just a vape. Last bolt's out. We're gonna go ahead and take it off now. Yeah, you gotta make sure you can clear those out. Gonna take a little bit of finesse.
Finesse wiggle.
Yep. Keep coming. Oh, there she be. So there you go.
Alright, now I can run it.
Alright, so now that we got the old one out, we're just gonna be matching everything up, making sure the gaskets are all right, and getting all the bolts ready, and then we'll be able to put it back in up here. Alright, so everything's set up for this now. Got that up there, the one up there, and then we're gonna go ahead and just bring everything up. We got the O2 sensors swapped over there. Then we're gonna go ahead and just put it back up. Alright, she's going in. Gotta line everything up real quick.
Oh.
This side's got to go up. Right here. All right, took a little bit of adjusting, but with these flex plates, it kind of helps you move it around a little bit.
There it is.
Now we're all good. Just get the bolts in. We should be all right. All right, so they're pretty much all in. We just got to tighten all the bolts and put the old skid plate back on, and then we should be all good. Start it up, see how it sounds. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get a first start up with the new headers. Should be pretty good. Got a little blast pipe going too.